Mr. Right here, and thank you very much to the person who sent in this question. If you'd like to send in a question for me to tackle, then you can email it to me. My email address is in the description of this film, or you can simply type your question into the comments on this film. Right, let's have a look at this. It tells me that the diagram shows the sketch of the graph y equals 2 sine of x plus 60. I think I'm dealing with transformations of graphs here. And I'm asked to find the coordinates of point A. Now, this graph, this black graph here, is obviously a transformation of the graph y equals sine x. Now, what do I know about the graph y equals sine x? Well, I know that it has a maximum at 1. So I know the maximum is y equals 1. So if I'm dealing with y equals 2 sine of something, let's just say 2 sine of x for a moment, then the maximum of that will be y equals 2, because this is a multiplicative change outside of the bracket. This is a stretch of the graph y equals sine x in the y direction, and it's a stretch of 2. The y coordinates will have doubled. So that tells me that this y coordinate here must be 2, because the maximum of the curve y equals sine x would be at 1. So that must be double that at 2. So there's my scale on the y-axis. And similarly, this point here must have a y-coordinate of minus 2. So I've worked out the y-coordinate of A. Now let's have a think about the x-coordinate of A. Well, generally speaking, not generally speaking, always, y equals sine x goes through the point 0, 0. Now, y equals sine x has been transformed to give me the graph, which is in black ink there, y equals 2 sine of x plus 60. Now, what will the horizontal translation of this be? Well, I've got plus 60 here. Remember, it's a translation in the x direction, but it's going to go the wrong way. So my black curve is a translation of the original curve by 60 units to the left. So this must be 60 units. So 1 square must be 30. So 30 there. So my coordinates of A are going to be 30, 2. And that is my solution for that question. Thanks for watching. See you in the next